Good morning, students. So let us continue solving the paper. Next sum, eighth one. Work out g of 1 by 4. How much will it become? In place of x, you need to put 1 by 4. So this is equal to 8 times, replace x by 1 by 4. So which will result in minus 3. Okay, next one. F of 2 means f of 2, how much do I get? By replacing x by 2. So I get 3 by 2 plus 2. So which is f of 3 by 4. Next, replace x by 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus 2. So how much will I get here? It is 3 by LCM. I take 8 into 4 into 4, 11 by 4. This 4 cannot go here. This will go here. So 12 over 11. Okay. Next one. Find g of x, giving an answer in your simplest form. G of x is how much? 8x minus 5. So again, in place of x I have this. So x should be replaced by this one. So 8 into 8x minus 5. And the rest as it is you should write. Next is multiply, how much you get? 64x minus 40 minus 5. That is equal to 64x minus 45. Okay, next g inverse x. How do you find g inverse x? Directly g of x equal to y. How much is g of x? 8x minus 5. Make x the subject. So first 5 will go that side. Next 8 will go. So your g inverse x equal to, replace y by x. X plus 5 by 8. Next one. Find g of x minus f of x as a single fraction. How much is g of x? 3 by x plus 2 minus f of x is, this is f of x. G of x is 8x minus 5. So it is 8x minus 5 minus 3 by x plus 2. This is f of x, this is this is g of x, this is f of x. Next, LCM I need to take. What will be the LCM? X plus 2. So here also x plus 2, here also x plus 2. So it becomes 8x minus 5 into x plus 2. Here I don't need to multiply, so minus 3. So next line, x plus 2. Multiply, what do I get? 8x square plus 16x. Now with minus 5. Minus 5x minus 10 minus 3. So how much will that result in? 8x square is only one term. Now plus 16x minus 5x plus 11x minus 10 minus 3 minus 13. This cannot be simplified further. So that is your answer. Now next one. Show that hg of x equal to 19 simplifies to this one. How do I get hg of x? H is here. G of x will be how much? 8x minus 5 equal to 19. Now h means here x square plus 6. In place of x I need to put 8x minus 5. So it becomes 8x minus 5 whole square plus 6 equal to 19. Okay. So expand it. 64x square plus a minus b whole square minus 80x plus 6 equal to 19. So 64x square minus 80x, 25 plus 6 is 31 equal to 19. Bring 19 this side. So 64x square minus 80x plus 31 minus 19. How much will you get? You will get 12 plus 12 equal to 0. Now here he has 16, I have 64. 64 if I divide by 4 I get 16. So divide by 4 everywhere. So it becomes 16x square minus 20x plus 3. So we got the equation that he is asking us to show. Okay. Now next one. Use the quadratic formula to solve this. 16x square minus 20x plus 3. What is the quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in place of a, what do you have? 16. In place of b, it is minus 20. In place of c, it is next one 3. Okay. Now place it in that and let us see what you get. Minus b, right? So it is minus of minus 20 plus or minus root b square means minus 20 whole square minus 4ac 16 into 3 by 2a 2 into 16. So two values you get. One time you put here positive and the other time you place here negative. So the two values of x that you get after placing in calculator are 0.17 and 1.08. Okay, nothing, just write this formula and place this correctly in the calculator to get these values. Okay, next sum now. The Venn diagram shows two sets A and B. Use set notation to complete the statements. In that first one, this entire is A. And what is the relation between D and A? D is present in the set A. So D belongs to A. Next one. F comma G equal to what? F comma G are present in which part? They are present in both. So this part is represented by A intersection B. Intersection means present in both. Okay. Next. Complete the statement. N of dash equal to 6 means in A how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A cannot be here. In B how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of elements in B equal to 6. Did you understand? Good. Now next one. In the Venn diagram below, shade C intersection D complement. What did I tell? C means first you put all stroked lines in the entire C. Next, D complement it is. So put stars leaving D. Except D, everywhere stars. Did you understand? Now, what does in between symbol is? Intersection means both. The part which has come both in stroked lines and also into is the answer. See which part is present in both, this part. So that is the answer. In the exam also do like this. Then later on, once you have come to know the region, erase the other part. Did you understand? Now the next one. 50 students study at least one of the subjects. Geography, Maths and History. 18 students only Maths. You can see this is for Maths, Geography and History. This part represent only Maths. So here there are 18. Next, 19 students studied 2 or 3 of these subjects. 2 or 3 means this are 2. 3 means this. So 19 is nothing but how x plus x plus x plus 7. That is the meaning of this statement. Now next, 23 study geography means this entire circle is nothing but 23. The difference between these two is here his only is not there. Geography means entire circle is 23. Here he said only max means only this part is 18. Only word is making the difference. Now let us start. Show that x equal to 4. Okay, it's easy. 3x plus 7. Send 7 that side. 3x equal to 19 minus 7, 12. X equal to 12 by 3, 4. We have shown. Next, complete the Venn diagram. So now this is 4. This is 4. Even this is also 4. Now total circle is 23. 4 plus 7 is 15. So here the number should be 8. Then only this entire circle becomes 23. Okay. Now, what number will you get here? This entire circle is 23. Over here is 18 plus this part is 4. Here if I take it to be y plus y equal to how much should I get? 50. Did you understand? I have taken this entire circle which is 23. Next one, this one I have taken only this 18. Next this one 4 plus this part to be y equal to 50. So how much will that come? 18 plus 4, 22 plus 23, 25, 45. So y 50 minus 45 is 5. Okay students, is it clear enough? Yes. Now next one. Use the notation to complete this statement. G union M union H complement. It's the complement means leaving G, M and H all. Means outside part. Do I have anything outside? No. So it's an empty set. Or just put empty symbol. Now next one. Find n of G intersection M union H. I need to find out the part. First let me shade G. Entire G is this part. Stroke lines. Okay. Next. M union H. I'll put star in M union H. So M union H is this part. Now which in between them what do you have? Intersection. Intersection means both. So which part has come both in stroke lines as well as star? You can say this part has come both stroke line and also stars or else cross mark. So now n means how many values are there in this part? 4 plus 7 plus 4, 15 is the answer. Did you understand students?